Hey, what's going on? Raheem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online typing at home. All right, so if you want to learn exactly how to do that, stay tuned. All right. So if this is your first time here, be sure to smash that subscribe button and tick that notification bell if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to jump right into the content. And real quick, this is my Facebook business page. So if you guys want to see exactly what I'm doing, just go over to Facebook, type my name in, Raheem Madison, and it'll pull up both my personal page as well as my business page. All right, so I just wanted to throw that in there real quickly. All right, so besides that, though, let's get to the actual content and why you came here for this video. All right, so we're going over to texbroker.com, and I would highly recommend you actually type this in your web browser now, or maybe you're on your phone, just type it in, go to Tex Broker so you can see exactly what I'm going to be talking about. All right, so on this website, you are able to do two things. You're either going to be writing content, or you're going to be coming to their website to get content creators to create you create content for you. So like if that's an article or whatever you want them to do, you can come here for that as well. But in order for you to make money, we're gonna talk about writing content, right? So if you enjoy writing, this is definitely something for you. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a little simple hack for you to literally start making your writing process a whole lot faster. All right, so stick around to the end for that. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to go right here to this tab to where it says I write content, and I'm going to read to you how Tex Broker works. All right, so basically Tex Broker, there's big companies like Staples, eBay, Yoast that use websites like Tex Broker to literally to gather content creators, because they can't create their own content, right? We all have to do what we're good at, our jobs. The big companies don't have time for that. So they use Tex Broker, which is where a ton of content creators are, to create articles for them, right? So that's essentially how it works, right? It doesn't get any simpler than that. All right. So let's go to down here, and I'll read you a little bit, just the steps on how it works. So it says, register for free and verify your U.S. citizenship. So right there, that's important, because I get some questions in the comments sometimes, and they ask, is it only U.S.? This right here specifically is only U.S., but if you want to make money on the internet, stick around to the end, and I'll share with you another way that you can do that. All right. Secondly, submit a writing sample, get your rating, complete your author profile, and start writing for cash. There's literally a 5-step process. All right. So that's it. That's as far as getting started. That's it. Now let's go to why you want to write for them. Right now, I'll tell you firsthand. Anything that's like online based that you can make money from, there's always going to be flexible time management. You can literally get on your computer and do this right from your computer any time of the day. Any time of the day. It does not matter. All right, so let's go down and give you a couple more reasons of why you want to get started with this. First off, it's free registration. You're going to pay absolutely nothing to get started with this. All right. Also, direct access to projects. So any projects they have going on, you're going to get first dibs to it. Of course, there's other people on this platform. So when I say first dibs, I mean, if you're being active on here, then you're going to see those projects. All right. As I talked about, flexible time management. You can write on your own time. It does not matter. Weekly payoff. This right here is important. And also, they actually have a very low minimum, right? So you know how some affiliate platforms, they have like a $50 minimum, a $25 minimum, or $100 minimum before you can actually get paid. this particular website has a $10 minimum. So let me kind of read it for you. It says you can request a weekly payoff as soon as you've earned $10 or more. So getting paid weekly is always something that it literally just works out. You know what I mean? All right. So also with any business or any website, support is very important. So helpful feedback. So if you're having any issues with anything, any concerns, you can just reach out to their support. And last but not least, they're not just a company that's going to say, oh, okay, you can come here and you can write, right? They're going to give you free writing resources so you can become better at writing, right? So eventually you can get to the point where you're not at the lowest amount of stars, you're at the highest amount of stars, which means that you're going to make more money. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about right now, I'm going to go over here and show you. So I'm going to go back up here and then I'm going to go to payment. Now I know some of you guys have been waiting on this moment right here. How much am I going to make if I start doing this? So let me scroll down and show you. All right, so your earnings at a glance, right? So if you are 2 stars, you're going to make 70 cents per word. All right, now if you're 3 stars, you're going to make $1 per word. If you're 4 stars, you're going to make $1.40 per word. And if you're 5 stars, you're going to make $5 per word. Right, and let me show you how that stuff adds up. So if you're wondering, so let's scroll down a little bit more, and right here. So this is the actual calculator like thing that they have on their website. So here, if you are a 2 quality writer, because you can't go below 2 stars. So they go either 2 stars all the way up to 5 stars. So somebody who writes a 1,000-word essay and they are ranked 2 stars, they're going to make $7, right? So I want you to think about it, all right? So let's say you do a couple of 1,000-word essays per day. You have the chance to make, a decent amount of money. It's not going to be anything like life-changing or anything like that, but of course you want to become better at the craft of writing, all right? So let's actually show you 3 stars. So you would make $10 per 1,000-word essay for 3 stars. Let's go to 4 stars. At 4 stars, you would make $14. And then at 5 stars, you would make $50 per 1,000-word article. Right? So imagine doing, I don't know, 2 1,000-word essays a day. That's $100 a day, guys. $100 a day for writing 2 articles. Think about it. Now let's actually up it a little bit for some of the content creators who are like longer base content. Let's go to about like 3,000 words. All right, so check that out. For a 3,000-word essay, you're gonna make $150, guys. $150 for a 3,000-word essay. All right, so as we go down, I want to show you, what you're gonna make if maybe you're not a 5-star immediately. All right. So let's go to 4 stars. You're going to make $42. Let's go to 3 stars. You're going to make $30. Let's go to 2 stars. You're going to make $21. All right. Now check this out. Let's actually go to the max so I can show you the income potential on this specific website. 12,000-word article. As a 2-star, you're going to make $84. As a 3-star, you're going to make $120. As a 4-star, you're going to make $168. And then as a 5-star, you're going to make $600 for a 12,000-word essay, guys. So the income potential here is very big, guys. It is. You know what I mean? And all you're really doing is writing. So if this is something that you enjoy, then you're going to be making easy money for yourself. All right? Now, I want to show you a very simple hack that you can literally do to speed up your writing process. Let's say you're not that great at writing, but when you're speaking, the process of writing is a whole lot simpler for you, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Docs, right? So you can just go to Google and type in Google Docs and then click on it. If you have a Gmail account, then it'll just connect to your Gmail account. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here to where it says go to Google Docs. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a blank document. All right, so I'm going to open that up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click in here first. And then I'm going to go up here to where it says Tools. and then I'm going to go to voice typing, guys. Check this out right here, right? So I'm just going to be saying random stuff here in just a moment, so don't worry about it. I just want to show you how this works. So I'm going to hit the microphone, and then I'm going to start talking. All right. Hey, what's going on? My name's Rakeem Madison, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online typing at home. So I hope that you get some value from this video, and if you do, be sure to smash that subscribe button, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. All right, now check that out, guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the microphone real fast. All right, so check it out, guys. Just that quickly, all I was doing was talking, and it was typing as I was talking. So if you're someone who, let's say you get to a point where you can't think of anything at the moment, and then you just come back and you start writing again. So you turn the microphone right back on and you just start writing. So you say, let's turn it back on. I kind of like that, actually playing around with it. So I'm going to show you how you can literally start writing and making money. Right? This is actually pretty cool, guys. I'm actually having a little bit of fun with it. So let me turn it off. I think I'm having a little bit too much fun. All right, but yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So if you want to do this and you don't want to take all day to do this, you can literally get on here and write articles, guys, by just talking through the microphone. That right there is the simple hack for you to literally get on this Tex Broker site and start ranking up, guys. Now, of course, when you do this, make sure you go back and, correct grammar errors and all that other stuff. Hopefully you don't forget that part, because of course, if you do and you leave those grammatical errors in there, then of course you're not going to start to rank up. All right. So that's super important. So that was the hack, guys. I hope you got some value from this video. And if you did, be sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Tick that bell icon to be notified. And with that being said, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, I'm going to leave a link in the description. That link will take you over to a capture page. All you will have to do is enter in your email. I've talked about this multiple times here on this channel. Once you do that, if you decide to take action and join my organization, then reach out to me on Facebook. Find me on Facebook. My name's Rakeem Madison, and let me know in a message, hey, I got started with you. Can you add me to the Facebook group? All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.